So that's actually the garden of that villager house in Jimsar village, and you can see it's so proper. And you see tomato in the kitchen garden or something you can say, and some beans. Yeah, so just to tell you, it's really really beautiful. They have some, how to say, yeah, and then they have it's really, it's really really beautiful. And here you have the old construction, exactly as we had in Pakistan in our villages. This is really really beautiful. This is really really beautiful. Wow, it's beautiful.